back to Made by Nale. So today I'm going to be showing you a super fun and easy DIY. But first and foremost, how are you? Let me know. I know it's been 3 months. Chill. If you follow me on my other platforms such as the Stylish Psychologist, Style by Nale, you'll see that I've been doing a couple of things. But Made by Nale is where the home is. This is the foundation. And you guys know, if you've been following me since day one, since my fashion career started, you know that Made by Nale, this is home. So when you see me here, I'm tapping back in, I'm tuning back in because I've been doing so much research. But if you are interested in finding out what I also do outside of like making, upcycling, do just drop me down a little comment or check out the bio or description below. Guys, the amount of intros I've had to do for different sorts of things, even a girl is getting confused. Are you a content creator and had the similar situation whereby you're filming so much content that you even forget what platform you're on? Yeah. But right now we're here at Made by Nale. So do check out all the other links if you want to follow me and catch up with what I'm doing. But other than that, today I want to show you guys how to turn laddered tights. Yeah, because if you're a girly, you know how jarring this situation right here is. So jarring. When you get a ladder, this is like my 13th reason why. You know, sometimes, little story time, I play the violins. Sometimes you be having a really bad day and next thing you know, dun, you get a ladder. Like, I've had enough. So today, guys, we're taking our power back, yeah? We're gonna turn these tights into hairbands because we cannot come and kill ourselves. This DIY is so easy that I just feel like I can easily just film it in one sitting. And I just want to like get back onto content creation, my love. But the next YouTube video, or maybe the YouTube video below, will be showing the similar technique of how I made hairbands. So it's basically like a 2-in-1 video. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do this. It's so easy and you probably already know what I'm doing. So you want to start off by just straightening out your tights, making sure that they're nice and straight. And guys, when I tell you this DIY is so easy, it's just so easy. So you want to cut off the ends, but don't throw them away because you might need them. And literally just cut some strips. Give it like a 1.5 centimeter gap. Obviously, you can decide, and you just want to pull it like this. And that is literally it. I kid you not. You've got your hairband and you just want to keep doing that until you've got enough hairbands. I did this about 50 million times because we've got a super exciting YouTube video dropping on Sunday using these same tights. So do stay tuned, guys, and I'll see you guys on Sunday. But anyway, you just want to keep repeating the same process as you can see me doing. I'm gonna play some cool music now whilst you guys watch me do that, but it's very, very simple, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you with a proper video on Sunday. Love you lots and see you then. Mwah. No one else gonna get it like that, so I argue.